What is up guys, welcome back. In the last video we're talking about the new Nokia 5G smartphone Nokia 8.3, but in this video we're talking about the new two mid-range smartphone from the Nokia 5.3 and 1.3 alongside the Nokia 8.3. Juho Saravic's chief product officer at HMD Global also announced the Nokia 5.3 and the Nokia 1.3, the mid-range devices. The two 5.3 runs full Android 10, whereas the entire level 1.3 boots its lightweight Android Go edition. The Nokia, first of all, we're talking about the Nokia 5.3. The Nokia 5.3 is built around a notched 6.55-inch HD plus IPS display and has a Snapdragon 665 chipset to power it. There are a RAM option 3, 4 and 6 gigabytes, while storage is set to 64 gigabytes but is expandable via the micro SD card slot. On the back side you can find the circular camera module with a 4 sensor. The main one is the 13 megapixel with f1.8 aperture, and you also get a 5 megapixel ultra wide unit. Then there are a 2 megapixel sensor on 4 macro shoots, while the other is one for the deep sensing. The notch houses a 8 megapixel f2.0 selfie camera. The Nokia 5.3 is powered by the generous 4000 mAh battery that only charges at 10 watt, but the HMD promise you won't need to top it up too often as it will easily last you to a full day. Nokia promised at least 3 years of regular Android update, while the phone itself comes with a vanilla Android 10 out of the box. The Nokia 5.3 will be available global starting in April in Cyan and Sand and Crackle version for €189. Now talking about the Nokia 1.3, the another mid-range smartphone. The Nokia 1.3 has a modest 5.71 IPS HD plus screen with a minimal asterisk notch at the top, a Qualcomm 215 chipset with a quad-core CPU paired with 1 gigs of RAM is powering it. You get a 16 gigabytes internal storage with the support of micro SD card slot up to 400 gigabytes capacity. On the back, the phone features just one 8 megapixel camera with emphasis on low light and portrait performance thanks to the new Camera Go app from the Google utilizing AI compatible. The front facing camera has a 5 megapixel camera. The battery is inside the 3000 mAh battery supporting 5-volt charging over micro USB. Of course, the phone runs Android 10 Go edition out of the box, and the company promise it will get Android 11 Go edition when that arrives. The Nokia 1.3 is coming in April for just a €95. Its color option while cyan, charcoal and sand color. 3 colors option in this 1.3 and also 3 colors in 5.3. So let me know in this smartphone which one is your favorite, 5.3, 1.3 or 8.3 5G version. I also make a video on 8.3 5G smartphone. You can check it out, that video on my channel. And if you like this video, make sure to like it and subscribe for more tech videos. Enable that bell icon for latest video notification. I'll catch you later in my next video. I'll see you in my next video. Peace out.